Okay, so hello and welcome. Today, Volkswagen Passat 1.9 TDI. As you can see, the accessory belts are quite worn down. I'm going to replace them, the brand new tensioner, put the new alternator clutch as well. AC compressor tensioner is going to be replaced as well. I bought purchased the whole kit for that. Parts over here. This is for AC tensioner. Both belts, new belts obviously. The AC belt comes with the clutch as well. The part kit, let me see, part number in case you need, is like that. Now nothing more than start putting the car into the service position. I have to undo the wall front end, slip it a little bit over here. The reason for that is the tensioner bolt. As you can see, you can't really access it. If you only want to change the belt out, then you can do it without taking anything off, pretty much. But right now I need to make myself room. That means I need to reach that far that I can move this front panel slightly away into the position. So let's start. Torx 30, undo this bolt, then undo this bolt. Now once you pull this grill a little bit away, Torx 27, there's a bolt over here, and this bolt over here. Then we need to go under the car, take the underbody panel off. Then we should have screws holding the bumper. Let me see. Yeah, over here, and other side as well. Then we can pull the bumper away from body, and then we can access the nose panel. So we can undo that. And once you got the underbody panel off, under the grill there's 4 Torx 30, Torx TX 30 screws over here as well. Here were the 4 screws, both sides. One is facing upwards to this. Take them off, and then you can gently pull this away. The bumper. Got the bumper off. Torx 45. One side there are 3 screws holding this metal bar, and the other side as well. Crack them loose. Take the easiest one. Another one is sitting behind there, then you have to reach with the extension. Then we can remove this front crash guard, and then we can access another bolts in order to remove this whole panel away. Once you got the frame off, the metal panel, there's another Torx. Take this out, take this 10mm out, and before we are dropping the end away, I'm going to take this AC belt off as well. That means 6mm hex. One is over here. The engine taking off this over there. The another bolt's up there. So you can take this belt away. Putting this back, we can put this unit back without taking anything off. Once you loosen the other Torx from there, there's 2 bolts up here, 30mm, which you have to undo in order to tilt this nose away. Already took the AC belt off. Now we took this off, the old one. Clearly see the reason why we are changing it. Let me see. It's looking like that. Now we have to take this fan off. There is a hex number 8 going behind here. You can see, fade in to hold this fan in place. Hex number 8, a socket behind the fan clutch, hold with the belt in steady. You undo it. It's reverse threaded, so you turn towards yourself, like you see. Turn the bolt out so you can take this whole unit off. And simply this. so we can access the belt tensioner with these, I think. The bolt coming out. And here's the bolt. Hex number 6. Undo this tensioner bolt from here. Crack it loose. There's a 30mm down there. And then you can put the new one in. The new tensioner back in place. We have to put take off the alternator clutch. For that you need a special tool. If you don't have it, then you go buy M10. So it's such a open socket. It sits inside here. You hold it the shaft in place with that and crack it loose with this from this big nut. The new alternator clutch is in place. 80 Nm. Torque it down. And now put the AC clutch back, and then we're gonna put the fan back. Once you got the fan back on, the new belt on from the engine side. As you can see, I'm putting back the AC on right now. Now we take the new belt for the AC, put this on, and there is the trick. There you have to tension it manually by hand. We're going to apply the tension there, and then we start reassembling everything. Now the AC belt, if you put it on, you apply tension with the 70mm wrench. Once you there, put the tension on the belt and then tighten those hex screws, hex number 6. First you tighten the first one down here, the second one is for tension. Just use your hand for a feel and we will see how it sits. Should be okay. And now nothing more, start putting everything back together. Lift the frame back here in, put it together. Here are bolts, one for this side, one the other, and so on.